Welcome back. It's art time class. Today we're going to be looking at the artist Jen Stark and create our own drip drawing. Let's get started. To begin, let's check out some of Jen Stark's work. You can see in her three-dimensional pieces that she uses a lot of bright colors and she layers to create a vivid piece of art. Let's look at some of her two-dimensional work. Ooh, her art is just so exciting to look at. Over here you can see that there are some zigzags. So if you want to use zigzags versus wiggles or like a droop line, which is more like what we're going to be doing, like this guy right here, you can definitely do that. And then some of her public work, which is probably my favorite, is some of this where it drips off the top of a building. That's pretty much what we're going to be doing, is something kind of like that. Oh, so cool. All right, so on your paper, you're going to need a pencil and some markers. And with your pencil, you're going to create like a drip type of line that droops. And then you're going to add more drips, either below or under that line. See, I want to imagine this comes back down here. Okay. And then you continue adding more for as long as you want. You're the artist on this. So this one I have cool colors on the top and then warm colors at the bottom. On this one I have a little bit of like a start of the rainbow, and then I have black, gray, and white, and then I've got a little bit of a rainbow section here, and then it goes black, gray, and white again. So I'm going to do some more vibrant colors down here, like a rainbow. And you can do whatever color scheme that interests you. Let's do this bottom one red, and then I'm going to go orange, yellow, and then up to green. So, and actually, instead of red, I'm going to stay with the highlighter colors that I had been using. So I definitely recommend markers or highlighters for this part. And you're going to outline the shape, and then do the top outline, and then you'll color in once you have it all outlined. So this will be pink. Now you saw her work, and that's her website that we went to. She used zigzags as well as this droopy wiggle line. It is up to you if you want to go zigzaggy or if you want to be droopy like this. And then we briefly looked at some of her work, and you saw a lot of rainbow, bright, vibrant colors, but some of her work is also in black and white. So if you wanted to do black and white, and if you wanted to keep it like a different kind of color palette, it is totally up to you. You are the artist for this. I'm going to outline the shape. And then this kind of butts up to the white here. This will be also orange. Yeah. When you are working with markers, you want to think about the pressure, how hard you are pressing down on your marker. There is the white copy paper, and then we also have this other type of drawing painting paper, which shows through really easily on the back. So just be aware of how hard you're pressing. You can see all the places where I really pressed and stopped on here. definitely shows through versus this copy paper that does not show through as much. Even though this is nicer quality art paper, it kind of shows through more. So it just depends on which kind of paper you have. Most of us will probably have a copy paper. Let me do this. Ooh, this one's almost done. After this, I'll just add in a little bit of the green right up there. I think I want to add just a little bit. Oh no, guys! I made a hole in my paper right there. It's okay though. It looks fine. No big deal. And I think I had a little bit of, I used this blue. Just gonna be really gentle right there. Okay. Let's get this green in. I kind of like the way the monochromatic, the black, gray, and white up against the bright color of the highlighters look. Ooh, that looks so cool. I cannot wait to see what you create in the art room. Till next time, keep being creative.